Mr. Bear and the Bee. Mr. Bear loves to eat honey, but one day, Mr. Bear was looking at his jar of honey, but the jar was empty. Mr. Bear feels so sad. Mr. Bear walks to the forest to find some. He found a beehive. Mr. Bear smells the honey. Mr. Bear really loves the honey. Mr. Bear pokes the beehive with his paw, but suddenly there's a noise coming out the beehive. It's a bee. Bee was angry. Bee asked Mr. Bear to leave the beehive alone. But Mr. Bear was being so stubborn. Mr. Bear poked the beehive again, but the bee stung his nose. Mr. Bear was so angry, he grabbed a big stick. He smashed and smashed the beehive into pieces. And suddenly, there's a really loud noise coming out the beehive. It's a swarm of bees. Mr. Bear ran back to its house, while the swarm of bees chased after him. Moral of the story: hot temper gets you into trouble.